What you want me? Go and make me something. Find something to make me.
Pops, tell me something. You suck pussy.
How dare you ask me a question like that? Especially front of street. Of course, me suck pussy. Let me tell you, my boy. Let me tell you. It is especially nice. You see? Let me tell you. You think me I go make a next man come try palm my wife before me try it first? Yeah? Let me tell you. It is especially nice when it gone off a little. When it touch. Yeah, me boy. You don't make a next man do it here? Let me tell you, man. Let me tell you a nice part. You see that little part between the body and the pum pum? Eh? You know what you call that? You call that the chin rest. You call that chin rest. You see? Let me tell you, my boy. Let me tell you, my boy. You see when you rest your chin right there so, and you work it. Hey, when you look, you see the woman start climb the wall like a spider woman. You hear me? Let me tell you, if you make another man come and do that to her, she will leave you. You hear? You will try it. You hear? Let me tell you, man. Let me tell you. You know what? You know what nice? You know what nice? And when you're done, and the smell still left on your top lip. Lord, man. Yeah, tell him. It's nice. Yeah, tell him, wicked man. You will try it. You will try it.